Okay, now we've got this car in.
Hands-free system is locked. State the password to continue.
Which basically means the previous owner has got the password or set a password up. We don't know what it is.
880. Incorrect password. Please try again. 8800. Incorrect password.
And it's so I can't set the Bluetooth, I can't delete a mobile, I can't stream audio because the system is locked. So hopefully, I think I know how to do it, but we'll see. So turn the ignition on. Well, turn the engine on. We're in park. Wait for the system to come on. Got a settings button there and map there. So if you click the settings button and the map and you keep them pressed, there you go, it's brought up the secret menu. And over here we've got hands-free module. Now if I go into hands-free module, you'll see there it's got error code and unlock. Now, and it also makes this awful noise, so I'm going to turn that down. So we want unlock. Unlock. Do you want to cancel lock mode? Yes. Lock mode cancelled.